If you are concerned about outliving your money due to the negative impact of taxes, inflation, and market volatility, because in this event, we help you become immune from those three dangers. We eliminate them, and we teach you three opportunities that you need to seize so that if you live to be 120, you will not outlive your money. So I'm Doug Andrew. I've been a financial strategist and retirement planning specialist now for north of 5 decades, helping thousands of Americans prepare for a comfortable retirement and not outlive their money. Now, what I do is I help people redefine themselves at retirement, okay? You know, I've never really liked the word retire because it means put out of use. I don't want to be put out of use, do you? And so I help you redefine yourself so that in retirement, you don't have to worry about your money. I'll show you how to go out and enjoy your retirement years, your golden years, and be able to go on cruises and vacations and spend time with your family and those things that matter most to you and not worry about money. And so that's why we call it retire by design, because it must be proactive. It's not just going to happen. Too many people just react to where their money is trapped in IRAs or 401ks, invested in the market, and then all of a sudden the market crashes 20, 30, 40%, and they have to put off retirement for several years, and they feel like they've lost their future, and they go back to work again. That's not what you want. And so in this event, you're going to see how you can take ownership of your brighter future, because at retirement planning is something totally different than what you did for retirement. If you put most of your money in IRAs or 401ks for your retirement, that is not where it should be at retirement. You need to check out what is called a strategic rollout. You got to get that money out of those IRAs or 401ks instead of getting duped into deferring till age 72 or 73 and then taking RMDs, required minimum distributions, thinking you're saving tax. You're not saving tax. You're compounding, you're increasing the tax. You do that out to your life expectancy and your spouses and then leave it behind to your children. They have to pay tax on those inherited IRAs or 401ks within 10 years. In fact, most CPAs and tax attorneys that I teach in advanced continuing education, they realize that the worst place to leave money for most retirees when they die is in an IRA or 401k. You need to get it out and the tax is over and done with and repositioned into something that's going to be tax-free from now on. And then when you do pass away, it blossoms, it increases in value and transfers tax-free to your heirs, okay? Folks, you don't know what you don't know because you can't be aware of something you're not aware of. So this is a free event because I'm very passionate about empowering you. So you go to retirebydesignevent.com and you can register. We teach these every month, and they're very intense for approximately 2 hours. And then we do a little bonus session if you want to learn a little bit more about the nitty gritty of how to protect your money from the negative impact of taxes, inflation, and market volatility. Okay. But it'll probably be the most important couple of hours you have ever invested into learning how to not outlive your money, okay? So this is called Retire by Design, and you'll learn how to save unnecessary tax. You'll hear stories how we've saved retirees $250,000 of unnecessary tax, $750,000, one couple $1.2 million. We took a couple in California from the highest tax bracket to a 0% tax bracket in 5 years. We saved them over $1 million in tax over the rest of their golden years. And that $1 million is now generating $100,000 a year of tax-free cash flow. That's $1 million that would have gone down the drain in unnecessary tax had they not rolled it out of those IRAs or 401ks sooner than later, okay? And so in the RBD, that's the abbreviation for Retire by Design, it's a virtual workshop. And you're going to learn so much. You're going to get so many epiphanies and ahas. I'm the primary presenter, and then Emran, who's the #1 tax strategist in America. And I may be biased, but watch, see what he teaches you. And then Aaron, he's the #1 asset optimization specialist with laser focus in America. He's the #1 producer of property structured, max funded index universal life, my favorite vehicle that allows you to accumulate money tax-free, access that money tax-free, so that every $1 million you accumulate can generate $100,000 a year of tax-free income from age 65 to age 120 if you live that long without depleting principal, and how you can tweak your rates of return from 7, 8, 9% up to 11, 12, 13, 14% by rebalancing, and you'll see actual policies that perform at those levels and higher. So these are the three professionals. Aaron does the bonus session after we've gone, about 120 minutes for another 30 minutes if you want to learn a little more about the nitty gritty. But folks, this is not about us. This is about you. You'll learn 5 tools to strategically draft your predictable and protected retirement, okay? Now, we're featured on all of these various resources. There's a lot of reviews in there that you can read, but reserve your seat for this virtual workshop. We don't want you to miss out. When you go to retirebydesign.com, you'll see what we teach in session 1, the clarity on the why. Okay, that's what I teach. And then utilizing strategic tax planning. That's what my son Emran teaches. And then the bonus session, diversity to tax-free retirement. Aaron will show you that. And so this will hopefully be one of the most incredible game-changing events you will ever attend for your golden years. And we would love to help you understand opportunities that most people don't even know exist. And so the workshop, you can read why you should attend it, the date for the next one. It'll be in this website. And if the above date doesn't work, when the next one is, or how you can just obtain access to an on-demand copy of that training. And can you invite somebody else to the webinar? There's just these commonly asked questions here on the website. So go in and register now for Retire by Design, event.com. And I want to see you on the other side of your brighter future, your golden years, and you will be blown away with how much calmness that you achieve when you've eliminated the dangers of taxes, inflation, and market volatility by converting 40 to 60% of your income at a minimum to be tax-free, to link your returns to the things that inflate. I don't like inflation any more than anybody. If it doesn't hurt me, it helps me. I've always outpaced inflation. And to use indexing where I get to make money when the market goes up, but not lose one dime when the market goes down. Maintain liquidity, safety, earn predictable rates of return tax-free. That's what you'll learn in the Retire by Design event. Go there now, register. I want to see you on our next educational session so that you can be empowered and enjoy your golden years with calmness.